McFlurry? Okay. You too. Thank you.
Okay, let's fire it up. Woo! Yeah!
So we're gonna see how fast we can get this thing going. Explore it. I think it's just slipping the belt.
Yeah, it
You can
is.
smell the belt.
It is, yeah, like it's not even spinning fast on this side. What's happening? It's gonna explode! Ah! He had an accident.
Shouts out to Elon Musk.
Going down the straightaway there, this got like crazy hot. It was slipping and just tearing the belt apart. So the propeller wasn't actually spinning as fast as it should have. But we're still gonna jump it.
How fast do you want to go while jumping?
I don't know.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. We're gonna come ripping down here at about 200 kilometers an hour, maybe 250 give or take. We're hoping for at least 200. And then we're gonna get our left tire right here. You see there's a little lip. And the right tire over here. And we're just gonna take off, send it. If the propeller's spinning at a certain, I don't know math that well, but if it's going fast enough, we should be able to get at least as high as the trees. That's what we're hoping, but I'm not too sure. We'll see how it goes.
Adding some horsepower.
First time we didn't really reach our goal of jumping it too high. So this time we kind of add a little, this is a log. And this is dirt.
You're a master builder.
Mason. Yeah, honestly, we'd rather have a real helicopter, but if you're balling on a budget like us, we kind of got to make do with what we have. And it's just we can't afford a helicopter right now because all my money got stuck in my checkings and all my savings, and I don't have online banking right now, so I couldn't transfer the funds over. That's why we couldn't get the helicopter. But
No, but I was asking about these,
Oh, okay.
On the last stroke, as you can see right here, it kind of goes the slope goes at a 45 and kind of dips down at 22 and goes back to 73. And this one is just a slope that gradually goes up from the bottom to top. So we think that when the car's coming up, the last time the shocks compress and then they hit the jump, I feel like if the shocks stayed non-compressed and then they hit the jump, they got way more.
Right here. I don't know.
Here we go. Okay.
I am. I sure am.
Adding some horsepower.
oh.